Hi everyone, welcome to WebTech Production. In this part of JavaScript tutorial, I will talk about 5 rules that every JavaScript developer must follow. Rule number 1. JavaScript is case sensitive. This means that JavaScript keywords, variables, function name, and other identifiers must always be typed with a consistent capitalization of letters. For example, while keyword must be typed while with lowercase w, not while with uppercase W. Now let us practically see what happens when we do not type a while keyword with lowercase w. Here, as you can see, by using while loop, I could make web browser to display number from 1 to 10. Now let us change first letter of while keyword to uppercase W and see what happens. Now let us save the file and see still web browser displays a number from 1 to 10 or not. Go to File, select on Save Command. As you can see, when we changed first letter of while keyword, then web browser didn't display anything. That is because JavaScript is case sensitive. If we do not follow this rule, then our program will not work properly. Rule number 2. JavaScript ignores white space. JavaScript ignores white space between tokens and program. So you can format and indent your program in a neat and clean way that makes the code easy to read and understand. Now let us practically see JavaScript ignores white space between tokens or not. Let us add a lot of white space at the beginning of first document.write statement. Now let us save the file and see any change occurs to the result of program or not. Go to File, select on Save Command. As you can see, by adding white space at the beginning of document.write statement, no change occurred to the result of program. That is because JavaScript ignores white space between tokens. Rule number 3. Identifiers must begin with letters like A, B, C, D, etc., underscore, $sign. While naming identifiers, keep in mind that you cannot start naming identifiers by using numbers. And also keep in mind that identifiers are used for naming variables, functions, etc. Rule number 4. We can't use reserved words as identifier because JavaScript reserved a number of identifiers as a keyword of a language. Hence, it can only be used by language itself. These are the example of JavaScript keywords. Rule number 5. Optional semicolon. To separate statement, we can use optional semicolon at the end of every statement. If you do not want to put semicolon at the end of every statement, that is okay. It does not affect the result of a program. But we suggest using semicolon at the end of every statement. Okay guys, these were 5 rules that every JavaScript developer must follow. If you liked my video, please click on thumbs up button, and if you are new to my channel and didn't subscribe yet, please do subscribe now.